Hi guys, I decided to take you down to my local fishing spot where everybody comes to. This is called Spruce Run, and I'll take you on a little tour of this nice little area that a lot of people come to, and they fish and they relax. Whoops, hold on. Lost the cap of my drink here. I'm taking it easy today. I got my cane because my back is in agony, but I wanted to get out and try to do a little walk. Looks like they put some new stone in here. It's overgrown quite a bit. Hi. Oh, look at the puppies. Hello, little babies. Hello, are you not so cute? Oh, I wish I could bend down. Oh, thank you for coming.
Come up, don't worry.
Oh, you can come up and say hello too. Oh, you're so adorable.
Say hi.
Oh.
She's like, it's hot. There you go.
Oh, look at you. Are you not adorable, baby?
She's like, it's hot out.
It is so warm, yes. You guys stay nice and cool. Heard a storm's coming in a little bit,
no,
so yeah, that's what there's in. Quick thunderstorm. Yep, so good time to be out now. You too. Got several people out here. Oh, it's so pretty. Ooh, big. It's pretty, huh? A few years ago, unfortunately, the police did discover a deceased woman here. She had, we do believe, been murdered. Yes, you can take this forward too.
Wait, what is that?
Hi. Wow, what happened to the rest of this? Having any luck?
Oh, we just got here.
Oh, did you? Yeah. I swore this was bigger for some weird reason.
It goes all the way around.
Because there was a lot more land when I was...
Oh yeah, they closed the dam so the water would stay in the park.
So that's what I was going to say. Boy, oh boy, it really got short. Wow. Nice. Cool.
Any codfish around there?
What?
Codfish?
Codfish? Nah. There's huge largemouth, muskie, pike.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's a bigger lake for bigger fish.
Yeah.
They usually eat them. That's why I've been using them.
Wow, cool. Let's get out of your way here. Let me get out of your way.
The last one I got was 4 foot, 32 pounds.
Nice. Nice. Wow. Very cool.
No, I had live bait on. It took, I caught a pickerel, and after the pickerel, it took the pickerel from it.
Huh.
So when I told the taxidermist, because I got it stuck, I told him that I had it, there was a pickerel inside. He goes, alright, I'll try to save it.
Huh.
Couldn't save it. It was all chomped and eaten apart.
Ew. Yeah. Very cool. Well, this place was bigger, like you said. Close the dam. Yeah, so this is our little fishing spot in our town. It is Spruce Run Reservoir. The whole beach area is about a mile down the road. So we have, you know, the beach area, swimming area, the boating area. This is just a separate little spot where people come to fish and relax. So I thought I'd take you out and show you guys an area that a lot of us locals like to go to. Some flowers in there. It's kind of pretty. Hear the birds. Figure I'd get out now before we get a storm, because they're saying something is brewing and coming. So, yeah, there used to be so much more island there. Big circle sandbar that we could all come and hang out. There was enough room to set up like 10 tents out there. I don't feel like walking around in here today. Woo, it's hot. Woo, woo-wee. Oof, oh yeah. Very humid today. Whew. Need a little wind here. Ugh. Oh God. Okay. All right. It is very hot. That little walk has kind of done me in, but you see the parking spot's pretty big. That's pretty much all I can take right now, guys. Hopefully this video comes out. Oops. Good luck, have fun. Oh. Okay. So that's our little spot. Spilling my juice. Okay. All right, guys, that was Spruce Run. That's our little tiny reservoir, little fishing spot. Can't say reservoir. A mile down the road is our little beach area. So, all right, guys, take care. Love yous. Bye. Hi, guys. I am at my local plant place that is not far from my home, and they have all kinds of beautiful flowers and plants and trees, shrubbery, everything. And this is where I usually get my Christmas tree, right here. And they have their own little pond. I don't see anybody in there today. You see back here the brook? That's actually part of my brook, believe it or not. The brook in my backyard, this is actually part of it. Yeah. Aren't these so beautiful? So we're gonna take a look and see what they have today. I wanted to get some ferns to hang over my deck. I'm very behind getting my flowers. I also like the bleeding hearts. I will forever call them bleeding hearts. They are just my absolute favorite. It's pretty. Look at these. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. Oh, look at these. Oh. Wow. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. Full. See the brook? Pretty. Let's see what they got. They got a lot of pots out for sale. And they have a little store inside as well where they sell homemade baked goods. They have fruits and vegetables. Look at that. That is really darling how this has all of this down here and then it's this beautiful piece. That is so pretty. These little ones here, baskets are pretty warped. And then we got herbs, special herbs. Oh, smells good. I like the lavender. They don't have as much as they normally do out. A lot has been sold. And this weather's been a little, you know, not so pleasant. I usually get these to hang. You see the here's Brookside Farms. Follow them on Facebook. This one is really nice. Wonder how much they want for this one. Oh, it's in one of those baskets. Combo number 2. Okay. That's cute. I'm not bringing the camera in the store. I just want to show you guys out here. See if there was anything, but I'm not seeing the ones that I like today. Very pretty, huh? I like them already made up for me to just stick in the pot or hang it right off of my my deck. Look at that. She's pretty. See how bad this weather's been? Jersey's taking a beating on a lot, I'll tell you that. But they're very cute. It's a shame, really. But these guys are great. I mean, I'd love to get some of these put in the yard. Well, actually, obviously it's up to the landlady, but she said if I ever found any trees or anything that, you know, could be planted, to let her know. That's where some of ours have come from. But I want, and I can never seem to remember the name of these darn trees. But when I say it, you guys will know. I think they're cherry blossom trees. They have the white, the pink, and the dark pink. They're absolutely stunning. But I want the light pink for the property. So this is our little roadside stand. All right, bye guys. Oh, look at it. I'm soaking wet. I was able to grab that. That's about it. It just blew me away. Hit so fast. Oh, Looks like I got stuff blown out all over the place out there. Well, I got a lot to clean up. That's okay, no biggie. Whew.